Hello, respected parents and my dear children. I am once again happy to speak to you. Today I am very glad to inform you that our teachers have successfully completed the teaching of the lesson as per the annual micro plan, which they have done right from the beginning of the year. Though we were amidst pandemic, our teachers were able to take the classes of all the chapters in all the subjects and make the videos of the same classes. As you are aware, these videos were sent to you time to time along with the worksheets. Of course, I am very thankful to you, parents, for your wholehearted cooperation and support that you have extended to us and to the teachers promptly. Time to time, you have brought the completed worksheets and even the notebooks written by the students, submitted them to the teachers. Therefore, teachers have been able to correct it correctly, timely and return to you. Thus, we have been able throughout the year to ensure the learning of the children in all subjects. And we have also conducted first periodic exams, first semester examination, second periodic examinations successfully, and the results were declared and you are given the progress reports too. Now what I would like to inform you that on this day 20th we complete the teaching of our lessons as per the syllabus and the planning. Now from 22nd onwards, the regular revision videos will be made by the teachers and it will be sent to you as per the schedule already sent to you. And as the revisions are in progress, from 22nd onwards, we have also arranged a scheduled parents-teachers meeting, that is for the LKG on 24th, HKG on 25th, and nursery and first standard on 26th of February, and for the classes 2nd to 5th standard on 27th of February. And during these days, as per the information already given to you in hard copy, you are requested to come at the specified time slot and then submit all the notebooks. In case there are some more books to be corrected, get them corrected and collect it back. And we shall be providing you with the hard copy of the syllabus, the timetable of the examination and the model question papers, which gives you the pattern of the questions that will be found in the annual examination paper. And this would enable the students and help you to guide the children to attempt the examination at home, which would begin on 5th of March. The annual examinations will begin on 5th of March to run up to 16th of March. And then before the completion of the examination, that is half the way of annual examination, at the first weekend on 13th of March on Saturday, we do not have exam. On that day, you are requested to come and submit all the answer sheets in hard copy to the teachers in the school. And then again on 15th Monday onwards, next 2 days, we continue the examinations. And the teachers, as we get the papers, we shall be correcting it and giving you the due result. Annual result will be declared for pre-primary section on 26th and 27th. Of course, we shall give you the time slot to come to the school and to collect the progress report later. And PTM and the declaration of the result for classes 1 to 5th will happen on 30th and 31st. And the timing, exact timing for the parents to visit the school will be given to you later. And the vacation, there is a small holiday, small mini vacation like after the examination, that is from 1st of April to 4th of April. It is Good Friday and Easter, therefore 3-4 days it will be holiday. And after the examination, as the 16th of March, the examination gets over, till 31st there shall be no classes. Teachers will be preparing the result and then giving you the result up to 31st as per the schedule. which will be given to you later. And then the new session, classes for the next academic year will begin on 12th of April. I repeat, the new session will begin on 12th of April. I pray, if God permits and the government gives the direction to start offline classes, then the children will be coming to the school from 12th onwards. If that does not happen, if the present situation continues, the online video classes will be conducted live as well as the videos will be sent to you from 12th of April onwards, and that will continue till 8th of May. 8th of May will be the last working day as far as this year is concerned, in the sense thereafter we start the summer vacation from 8th of May onwards. Of course, after the vacation, the reopening will be scheduled in the second week of June. The exact date will be informed to you later as per the government notification too, taking into consideration. My dear parents, once again I request you, please guide, support and cooperate with your children, and as the question papers will be sent to you on every day of the scheduled dates of examination at 8 o'clock in the morning, and the children are given time to complete writing the answers until 8 o'clock in the evening. By 8 o'clock in the evening, you are requested to send us back the soft copy or the photoshot of the answer sheets to the teachers, and the hard copy of the answer sheets you are requested to submit it to the teachers on 13th and thereafter once the examinations are over. I would also like to inform you and congratulate you. Many of you have won prizes for the Republic Day coloring competition, speech competitions, Christmas tree decorations, and the certificates we have already given you. The trophies are there with us. When you come for the PTM, we shall be giving you. Thank you and God bless you. Wish you all the best for the examination, dear children.